Hi everyone, today we're going to focus on the 4 Persian verbs of walking. راه رفتن, پیاده رفتن, پیاده روی کردن, and قدم زدن. You remember raftan, to go, from our lesson on Persian verbs of directional movement. From this, we have راه رفتن and پیاده رفتن. Although they both mean to walk, they have one interesting difference. We use راه رفتن to refer to the general ability and act of walking, whereas پیاده رفتن is used when we're talking with a destination in mind. This is because راه means way, so راه رفتن literally means to go on one's way, whereas پیاده means on foot. So the literal meaning of پیاده رفتن is to go on foot as a means of transport to get to a particular place. Now let's add our next pair of verbs. پیاده روی کردن, which is a compound of کردن, and قدم زدن, a compound of zadan. Both verbs are highly idiomatic, so their meaning has very little to do with their components, and both mean to go for a walk. But پیاده روی کردن expresses going for a walk for health or recreation, whereas قدم زدن is normally used for leisure only. Both پیاده روی کردن and قدم زدن have some degree of overlap with راه رفتن, although راه رفتن covers a wider range of meaning and is not limited to health or recreational purposes alone. So remember that راه رفتن refers to walking as a general activity and ability. پیاده رفتن refers to walking to a certain destination, and پیاده روی کردن and قدم زدن express going for a walk for health or recreational purposes, as opposed to simply walking or walking to a destination. Now let's put all 4 verbs together. Here we're going to be using our verbs freely to see how they really work in context. So if you want a comprehensive review of the Persian verb formation system, before we start, you can go to our lessons on the simple present verb construction and Persian simple past tense. Take a look at the vocabulary and tell me how we can say penguins walk really cute and funny. پنگوئن خیلی بامزه راه میره. Do you always walk to work? تو همیشه پیاده میری سر کار؟ We walk a lot or go on a lot of walks because it's good for us. ما خیلی راه میریم or ما خیلی پیاده روی میکنیم چون برای سلامتی خوبه. They walk on the beach every night. اونا هر شب توی ساحل راه میرن or قدم میزنن. I'm walking to university tomorrow. من فردا پیاده میرم دانشگاه. We didn't exercise yesterday. We just walked a bit. ما دیروز ورزش نکردیم. فقط یکم راه رفتیم. or فقط یکم قدم زدیم. My daughter is very little. She doesn't walk yet. دخترم خیلی کوچیکه. اون هنوز راه نمیره. I walk 4 kilometers a day. من 4 کیلومتر در روز راه میرم. or پیاده روی میکنم. Didn't you walk to school yesterday? شما دیروز پیاده نرفتین مدرسه؟ Ostriches only walk. They do not fly. شترمرغ فقط راه میره. پرواز نمیکنه. He walks a bit every day for exercise. اون هر روز برای ورزش یکم راه میره. or یکم پیاده روی میکنه. And finally, we walked and talked in the park all day because the weather was really nice. ما کل روز توی پارک راه رفتیم و قدم زدیم و صحبت کردیم چون هوا واقعا خوب بود. Perfect. Now you know how to use راه رفتن, پیاده رفتن, پیاده روی کردن and قدم زدن in your daily interactions. Have fun with your Persian and see you soon.